The secret loop. How AI learns in minutes what takes humans years. Most people think AI learns like a student reading textbooks, but it's actually more like training a puppy with treats. If you treat code like a lecture, you're missing how machines actually master complex tasks. Reinforcement learning isn't about feeding data. It's about letting an agent fail until it finds the win. Think of it as a digital, choose your own adventure, where the environment is the only judge. You have an agent, an environment, and a reward system that dictates every single move. Every action results in a new state, and the goal is to maximize that sweet dopamine equivalent score. It's less about knowing the answer and more about exploring the possibilities through trial and error. The agent tries 1,000 paths, hits a wall 999 times, and finally spots the gold. This is where exploration versus exploitation comes in, and it's the secret sauce of the whole system. Do you stick with the small gold you found, or risk it all to find an even bigger treasure chest? Imagine a robot trying to walk. It falls, loses points, but then it leans forward and gains a tiny reward. It doesn't know physics. It just knows that leaning forward feels better to the algorithm. We call this the Markov decision process, but honestly, just think of it as a giant interactive feedback loop. You do a thing, the world changes, and you get a cookie or a shock. The magic happens in the policy, which is just a fancy word for the agent's strategy or game plan. As the agent learns, this policy evolves from a chaotic mess into a surgical strike. You see this everywhere now, from ChatGPT refining its tone to self-driving cars navigating a busy intersection. It's the reason AI is starting to feel less like a calculator and more like a living thing. To master this, you need to stop thinking in static rules and start thinking in dynamic incentives. Design the reward right, and the machine will solve problems you didn't even know existed. You don't need more information, you need a blueprint. Stop wasting months on courses you'll never finish. Hit the link in my bio to unlock the next step in our reorg library.